Hey, good morning, guys. This is Julie. I'm going to do a top-down analysis. This is the NQ Daily, and you can see this white line where price got held up Friday from probing lower was a quarterly one. So that is your lower quarterly one. This dotted white line is a 90-day, I believe, 12 week, okay. And your 90-day is this thinner line. Yeah. So I can divide my time up between 90 days, um, 12 week, and monthly. So the quarter, put this on 3 month. We can also get a range of what the points to expect for the quarter 2091. So we're at the one. So if the one breaks, they move their risk. And we're nowhere near the end of the quarter, so it's kind of likely that if we get a bounce up, we're going to run back into these quarterly levels here and it could crash through after the expiration OPEX, if not before on any bad news. But if it does probe lower, I would expect it to bounce at these white lines or find this 2091 level, which would be your 3 month. And so how this works is you can take these calculations like I have the lines on the chart, and they're calculated from the session open or close. But you can also get the ruler out and go from the high of the period to, extend the line down to see how far you go. And so this 2091, just to give you an idea of the range potential within a normal distribution, would get us down to these white lines. So if we were to extend the high of the range to the low of the range for that time period, this is 3 months, you can see that we're getting, towards the bottom of this area right where my other white lines are. So we're talking about a potential 13,940, 13,861, 14,000 by next month. We're in a very truncated quarter so far, very flat 3 months. So let's take a look at our monthly option and put up a, excuse me, I said option. I keep thinking about the options. Let's put up a monthly JATS to get us the historical volatility option available, um, opportunity available for the month. So we'll put up a 1 month to get the range opportunity available. 1255. So 1,255 points in a 1 month range. So if we come back to this quarterly, um, and we go from August 15th to September 15th, here's the 8th, there's the 11th. So we really haven't even gotten to the 15th yet to go to September 15th. We can just take another ruler and go 1,255 points up. So you can see that we are definitely in range to hit this level. So we are there. We're in striking distance of this 14,000 by September 15th. And let's just go over to Quick Strike real quick and confirm the date of that expiry since I've got option on my brain. Go over to Quick Strike, log in, and we can look at our expiries. September 15th, or the quarterly expiries. So the NQ and ES both expire at the same time. So we're within striking distance of 14,000 on NQ. We got held up at the quarterly one, but also there was a monthly one there also. So 15,053, and the monthly one was at 15,091. So we had two support areas, and if they clear the 15,053 quarterly one, that's going to be the drop. It'll take off. We'll have a monthly one at 14,922.75 and 14,907. So 14,900 is going to provide some extra monthly support to just the 14,900 anytime you get an even number, and you've got that 15,000 strike right there too. So it can be a little bit bumpy in here before it goes down further. And then of course you need to look at your weekly levels. We got right to the end of the weekly three on Friday. So keep that in mind as you're going to prepare going forward. And let's take a look at the ES and get our ranges for that. Sorry, the landscapers are here. I don't know if you can hear that. Get this set up real quick. All right, so here's the quarterly on the ES. And you can see that we ran into some quarterly support as well. Um, this particular level was a 90-day. And so we have the 12-week, 90-day, and 3-month all right here. And if we go through this same exercise, you can see we have a 477 point quarter. So if we go from the up to down and go 477 points, whoa, we can get right down to where our um, target is 4150, 4157, 12 week. And then if we look at our 1 month range, you can see we hit a monthly one also, provided the support, 299 points. So if we go to 42.39, 214. That almost gets us down there. So um, we're in middle month. So if we just take this from beginning of August, right here, you can see that for the 1 month, I think this was the beginning of August right there, August high, 42.50. So 42.50, 42.40, 39.75, and then that would bring some support in for that quarterly too. And if it does, get a little bit pushy, breaking the levels for the algos trying to hit these 12-week and 90-day ones down here, the third standard deviation getting all the way down. If they want all of the quarter range, it would be an extra. We'd be going into the tails at that point. And as far as the high-low range. So just keep your popcorn going for next month because I think it's going to be volatile. I do. I think we're going to see some more volatility. We got down to the end of our weekly range as well on the NQ and the ES, so the market is trying to go short. And we had the the United States downgraded and the banks downgraded, so that's never a good sign. And then you have everything going on with the politics. So buckle up, keep an eye on my Twitter feed. I'll try to post a little bit. I'm not going to post as much going forward because it's not fair to the subscribers who do subscribe if I keep posting everything every day. But once in a while, I will get you up to date on these great levels. I recommend that you come to the website, subscribe, and that way you can have the levels and take advantage of it. If you do not have NinjaTrader, you can get the levels sent to you in your email by subscribing to the monthly subscription for this Excel file right here, the second one, sorry, the second lower one. The monthly subscription Excel files will get you the levels sent to you by Excel spreadsheet. And don't forget, Earn to Trade is got another special going on. This is a great opportunity to try to get a funded account. The Trader Career Path is TCP 25. Start at the beginning for a great price of $90 from their original 150 sales price. Just apply your JATS code at checkout. Click the link. That'll take you over to the Trader Career Path. You can scroll down and see what the requirements are. Start an evaluation, meet the conditions, end of day drawdown, daily loss limit, and maintain consistency. Follow the progression ladder, and then you will pass that evaluation. And you can elect, what I like about this so much is you can elect to go either into a virtual sim account or just start right away with your prop account. And the reason they give you this opportunity to stay in sim world is you would not have to pay the prop fees. So as a professional trader, you're going to be paying more for your data fees, and you need to pay that in advance. So this allows you to earn a little bit of money before jumping into the 50,000 tranche level, um, and being able to pay for your fees that way, especially if you're, subscribing to more than one data feed. Like if you want the NYMEX as well as the CME bundle, that would be you would be paying for two. So it can get costly. So get a little money in your account. Uh, Go again, hit your profit target, and then you're immediately enrolled in this new level. Do the same thing, hit the profit target without it, breaking the rule. You go into the next tranche, hit the profit target, and then you get into this final level, a senior live account with a fixed drawdown, no more trailing, and you can start building your account from there. And this would be, like Nirvana. Okay, so definitely worth checking out. Like I said, this will be available, um, this special, through the end of the month, and it is good for as long as you continue to use the as long as you don't close it. Even though you don't pass it in 30 days, if you take more time, you'll still get the discounted amount as long as you keep the subscription open. Okay, so definitely worth checking out, and consider getting the JATS subscription as well to help you with these ranges. Know where the opportunities are, know where the targets are. Um, I can set my charts up to the intraday levels, the Globex levels, and have an idea of where I am within these, intraday ranges as well. And I can take it all the way down to like, 8:30 to 9:30. Where are my ranges, or the last, hour of the day, where am I in the middle of that range for the last hour? And it makes sense, you can understand where the algos think about the ranges. So it's a NinjaTrader 8 indicator, and if you would just like the levels instead of the indicator, you can subscribe to get the Excel files, and those will be emailed to you in the morning. All right, well, thank you so much. I hope you all have a great weekend, and we will talk at you later. Bye bye.